This is D5, other work related expenses. This is to put the amount other than car travel expense, car expense, uniform expense, self-education expense. All those 4 items will come in a separate label. This is only for other than car travel, uniform and education expenses. This is usually for union fee, subscriptions for associations and professional bodies, and you have got any seminars and courses and conference that you may have paid, reference books, technical journals, trade magazines, and work related portion of your tools of trade and equipments up to a maximum of 300. Anything more than 300 has to be depreciated over a period of time. And also, if you have paid for interest on any money that you borrowed to buy a computer or repair the cost of computer and any internet access, phone calls that is relating to work, and any home office expenses. If you don't have details of home office expenses, you can claim a flat 52 cents per hour when you do the work from home. So you have to estimate the number of hours you are working from home. That can be multiplied by 52 cents per hour. So we can claim all these as your expense in this column for computer software,